Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video we are going to get ready for one of my very good friend's birthday and we have a brunch to go. So I'm just going to get ready for a brunch, and if you want to know that how I get this very summer breezy a brunch makeup look, so please continue watching. So I'm quickly going to start. I'm already late and I have to rush with my makeup now. So starting off with the primer, I am going to use this Smashbox Photo Finish primer because it's very hot and I don't want to look oily because of the sweat. So I'm going to use this Photo Finish primer from Smashbox. Now to bring some glow to my face, I am going to use this Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base. This is a highlighting primer which will give a very nice glow. Can you see the glow? Now I'm going to use the foundation, and the foundation I'm going to use is this SL Aura Double Wear foundation. This already has some luminosity in the foundation, but to bring some more glow and bring some more sheen into this, I'm just going to add some face oil. Oops. The only thing I hate about this foundation that it does not have the pump and you tend to have a lot of foundation. I'm not wearing a lot of foundation because it's very hot out there and I don't want my makeup to budge. So I'm using very less foundation and adding some face oil into this to bring some more sheen. Now I'm blending it with the foundation brush. Can you see the glow? And it's looking like a skin now. It feels very breathable when you add face oils. Now for the concealer, I'm going to use Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. Guys, I'm so excited that today I'm going to meet all of my friends, all of my college friends after so long, literally after 5 months. After the day the lockdown has started, I have not met them even once, and I'm so happy that we are meeting today and I'm super excited for this. Now I'm going to use this cream blush. This is the Love Tint by Benefit. I'm using very less powder today because it's very hot, guys, and I don't want that my skin looks very cakey. So I'm focusing more onto the cream products today. Don't worry guys, if it looks very much on the skin, it will settle down and then it will look very nice. Now I'm going to do the very soft contour, and I'm going to use this LA Girl concealer in the shade Almond. And to do a very soft contour, I'm just going to use my fingers. I'm going to apply some concealer onto my finger and then just taking it. Can you see this soft contour, guys? If you will directly apply the stick onto your face, you will tend to get a lot of product and it will not look like a soft contour. some of on my nose as well. Now I'm just going to set the concealer on my lids so that it does not get oily, and to set the concealer I am going to use this loose powder from K Beauty. This is a translucent powder guys, and not the banana one. I have seen a lot of YouTubers using the banana powder, but my skin is little dry, and I feel that the banana one will make it look more dry, so I am just using the loose powder to give it a natural finishing look. I am not setting the complete base guys, I am just putting the powder on the selected areas so that it is set in some way and not the powder on my whole face. Now for the eyes I am going to use this palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I am going to take a blending brush and going to use this color right here, a very soft brown color, and just apply it on my crease area to give some sort of illusion. Now I'm going to take another brush and going to pick the same color and apply it on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline 24K Nudes palette and going to use this shade right here and apply it on my lids. Now I'm just going to fill in my brows with the Nykaa Wow My Brow palette. Now I'm just going to blend it with a spoolie. Now before applying mascara, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. And the mascara I'm going to use is from K Beauty. I love this mascara. It has everything I want. It also volumizing your lashes and also lengthening up. I'm also going to apply a very thin eyeliner. This is from NYX. Now I'm just going to spray some Fix Plus. Now I'm going to apply the highlighter. This is from Maybelline Master Chrome. Now I'm just going to blend everything together. Can you see this, guys? How glowing my skin is looking right now. Now we are just left with the lipstick, and for the lipstick I am going to use, this is from Recode. The shade I am using is the Chocolate Day. So guys, I am all dressed now, and I think I am not going to do anything with my hair. It looks nice the way it is, and I am all ready to go to the brunch, and I hope you like the look. And if you did, don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. And also, before you leave, don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.